Owning your home is just the beginning. To protect your investment and build optimal equity over time, regular maintenance is key. As a realtor with 24 years of experience, I do this every day in my own home. But I understand if it's your first home or if it's been a while since you've owned a home, things change quickly. Regular, basic maintenance can be the difference between a competitive selling price down the road or having to make concessions to a buyer due to items being called on an inspection. Let's break maintaining your home down into 5 simple steps. Step 1, don't skip routine maintenance. Schedule regular tasks like cleaning the gutters, servicing the HVAC systems, or checking for leaks, inspecting the roofs and foundations. These small steps prevent costly repairs later. Step 2, preventative upkeep should be on your calendar. Set aside an annual budget for maintenance and minor repairs. Routine upkeep not only preserves your home's condition, but it also safeguards its value over time. Number 3, strategic home improvements. Focus on improvements that add real value, like updating kitchens and bathrooms, adding energy-efficient features, or enhancing the curb appeal. These projects can boost your home's market value and build serious equity. So whether you hire a contractor or you're a DIYer, make sure the proper permits are in place with your city or county to ensure that there are no issues when it's time to sell. Step 4 is think about the financial benefits. Regular maintenance and smart upgrades help protect your investment and can lead to a higher resale value down the road. Last but not least, Step 5 is professional guidance. Know when to call in the experts. Routine inspections by professionals can uncover issues early, ensuring you make informed decisions about repairs or upgrades. One of the best investments I've ever made was signing up for Home Service Plus through CenterPoint Energy. There are similar programs with other utility companies, but being able to call HSP or Home Service Plus when your furnace or your clothes washer goes down provides affordable peace of mind. Taking care of your home is an ongoing process that pays off in the long run. If you need advice on maintenance schedules, recommendations for trusted service providers, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help. In the next video, we'll discuss the final walkthrough before closing. Make sure you like, subscribe, or follow along and binge all of these videos so you don't miss a step in the home buying process.